In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Discord update failed. Now the first step is simply come here and search for Task Manager. In here we want to go to Details, sort by the name, click anywhere and press D and look for Discord. Then you want to end the task and make sure everything by Discord is closed down. After that, come down here and search for percentage, local app data percentage and press enter. This will open up your local app data folder, and in here you want to look for Discord. So find Discord right here. What you want to do is you want to find either update.exe or discord.exe. It's called either one of those. Mine is called update. What you want to do is you want to rename, and then after update or Discord you want to make a space and type in repair, just like this. Then simply click like here, and then what you want to do is you want to just launch this one. Now check if that works. If it still doesn't, what you can do is just change this one back. So we delete repair. And then what you want to do is you want to try and reinstall Discord. So come here and search for apps and features, search for Discord, click on it, uninstall, and then head over to Google and reinstall it. Now a last thing you can do is right click on it, properties, compatibility, and activate these two. Now try all of this and then restart your PC and see if it works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.